And here it is. These are the Navi mirrors that I got off of Amazon.
Nice.
Here's my Honda Navi, and last week I installed a cup holder as well as a phone charger on my Navi. This week what I'm going to do is I'm going to install some parts that I bought from Amazon during a Black Friday deal. And here it is. These are the Navi mirrors that I got off of Amazon. Okay, here's what comes with the mirrors, and for some reason they gave us 3, but anyways, just use 2 of the bigger ones. Let's go and put these on. It's actually very easy to remove the stock mirrors, so all we have to do is, if you lift this up, you can see that you just gotta twist it off. Let's go ahead and do that. Next, we'll do it for the other side as well. To remove these, all you need is a 14. Once you loosen it, you can actually just use your hand to remove it. Next, do the same for the other side. There you have it. So far I'm loving the look of the new mirrors on the Navi. There is one little concern I would like to address. If you look down here, you can see that it is kind of close to the parking brake. It doesn't really interfere with the operation of it. I think there's just enough clearance where it doesn't, but I mean, it's something I'm gonna have to address as time goes. What do you guys think? Please let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit that like button, and also hit that subscribe button too, as it would help me out tremendously. Till next time, guys.